as a web developer, I'm a pretty big fan of URLs and links because I know that they can be dropped into a lot of different applications and it makes it easy to jump from place to place. And you see this a lot on iOS because people use these URLs to edit data between applications, and it's a way to interact with other apps in other areas within the system and within the operating system. And the nice thing about OmniFocus is it has a way to create some links for specific like folders and projects and the tasks themselves. You can get links to each of these areas and you can embed them in other areas of OmniFocus, or you can go outside of OmniFocus and embed them in, mind mapping software, Evernote, any of these note collection, text file driven applications. You can embed these links in those applications, and then you can jump back and forth between them using those. And it's pretty simple to create these on the Mac. If I go to these folders and say I want to link to my guidance folder, I just right-click it, hit copy as link, and I've got that link. And just for demonstration, say I want to go into this, and I'm going to go down to the notes here. I can paste that in, and I have the link to that folder. So I can click on that. It takes me right where I'm at, and you're good to go. Same thing with projects. You can right-click on those, get the same thing. This won't do me any good, but I can paste that into the notes for itself, so it'll just take me to itself. That won't work so well. But you can also do the same thing for a given task. So you can, same process. It's the same across all these. I'm going to go somewhere else just so I can get a different link here. Paste that in. And then you can click on that and it takes you right to that task. So it's pretty handy. All you have to do is just right click on it, grab the copy as link. The one downside of the link functionality right now is that it's not currently possible to create these links on iOS. I know that they're working on some of that. It's supposedly coming in the future. When it does, I will update this video to show how some of that works. But for now, to get those links, you have to do it on the Mac, and then you can transfer those over to iOS. They still work on iOS. You simply have to create them on the Mac. There's not a way to do that on an iOS device.